Hi, welcome to ATHENASIA. I'm Laurent Timmermans, and in this second video update on the bank situation in Hong Kong, I will talk more specifically of need. So if you didn't see the first part, you can go back to the first part and have a look on what is going on in Hong Kong at the moment in terms of bank account opening. If you already watch it or if you don't care, just stay here and we'll be discussing about need specifically. So what is need? Need, or specifically in our case here, need business is a fintech solution for small businesses. And what's happening is that they came up with these current accounts. So Need provides you with a current account and a MasterCard. So you will have a current account. You can receive money there. You can transfer money. You can spend money through the MasterCard. You won't be able to take money out of the ATM with the regular ATM card, but you can do it with your MasterCard. But be careful, there's fees, obviously. MasterCard's fee. But basically, yeah, you have a current account already in Hong Kong. Now, this account can connect with PayPal, with Stripe, even with Amazon, although it's a bad idea to connect it with Amazon because of the fees. So if you transfer money directly from Amazon to Hong Kong on this account, we'll get around, I think, about 4% fees from Amazon, the conversion rate. So not a really good idea, but PayPal, Stripe, boom, it works. You don't need to have a regular bank account. They are fully compliant with HKMA. So HKMA is the Hong Kong Monetary Authority. They so if you wonder about the safety of your money, basically your money will be stored at ICBC. So ICBC is the biggest bank in the world. So I mean the money is relatively, I won't say safe, but it's quite okay, right? And all the transactions are handled on a Standard Chartered platform. So pretty good solution. Now, how come I know all these about needs? I mean, it's not that I really studied them. I mean, not initially, but I know the people inside needs. So I know the CEO, I know the CMO. The CMO used to be a client of ours here in ATHENASIA, and that's how I got in touch with Need. They approach me and say, hey, have you seen our solution and everything? Now, the true story is this. Max, the guy from Need, came to see me a few months ago and say, Laurent, we have these interesting solution. It's Need Personal. You can get a personal credit current account with a credit card. I start talking about the whole thing. I said, yeah, that's interesting, but I mean, personal is not really that great. I need a corporate. And when he said, well, we are coming up with this new corporate account, I was like, okay, great, that's amazing, because my idea back then, I was thinking, well, I have this relationship with Citic that open a regular bank account, but they don't provide MasterCard. Like most of the bank in Hong Kong, they won't give you a credit card, not even a debit card when you open the company. But then I was thinking, well, if I have this Citic that open a regular account, and then I have Need that provides the MasterCard, that's perfect for my clients. So I was like, okay, great, that will be a really great solution. And then if you checked my last video, you will realize that Citic didn't go too well the last 2 months, and we have not much news from them. They kind of disappeared. So I was like, okay, great. And it's exactly at that moment that Neat asked me to do a talk for their launch of the beta version of Need Business on the 25th of October. So I was like, okay, great, let's do it. So I came there, explained how to set up a limited company in Hong Kong, and after they went on with their launch and explained what was Need and how it works and why it's such a nice offering and everything. And then I had nothing else to do, so I just sit and listen to what they were saying. And I was totally astonished, because initially, as I told you, I thought that this would be a good solution for MasterCards. But then I realized that what they came up with is a total substitute for regular account. You get the current account, you can transfer money, you can receive money, you can get up to 10 MasterCards. It's debit cards, not credit card, but who cares? You won't spend money you don't have anyway. You get this connection with PayPal, with Stripe, with Amazon. I mean, this is everything my clients want, basically. And the most beautiful part is you don't have to come to Hong Kong. Everything is done online. So for my clients, coming to Hong Kong in the past was a big pain, but now they can do it from the comfort of their house. They just do the check-in on Neat and done. The account is ready. Now they are telling us that the overall compliance process takes about 5 to 7 days. Now we sent a few clients there, and it takes more 10 to 15 days at the moment. Maybe it's because it's in beta version. I don't know. Maybe I should ask them. But in the future, it will be around 5 to 7 days. So maybe if you watch this video in 6 months from now, it's much faster. Um, Now, they accept foreigners. So if you are foreigners, you can still get an account there, even if you are not resident of Hong Kong, because it's totally there's nothing illegal in having an account in Hong Kong and having your company in Hong Kong. What is illegal is not declaring it to your own home country. So I really advise you not to play around with that. But if you do your business right, there's no problem. So NEET has no problem with you not being in Hong Kong. Okay, so that's the good news. They accept foreigners. So far, everybody I sent to them were accepted. If you do shady business, etc., obviously they won't like it. They will refuse you. But actually, I will refuse you before they refuse you anyway. But yeah. Now the good news also with NEET, as I said, is that I know the people personally. So we have a special channel. So if you decide to work with us, for example, I get a special channel. They know that you come from Athenasia, and you will have a special treatment. Part of the treatment is simply that you don't have to put the minimum 50,000 Hong Kong dollars deposit to start playing. You can just and there's no minimum basically. They just waive that for us, because I was like, I have people that start here, they have no money. We can't ask them to put 50,000 straight away. So this is the good news. There's no minimum deposit, and through us you have a bit of a special treatment. Now, as I said in my past video, I'm not sure if I cut this part or not, but as I said in the past video, I'm not affiliate of NEET, so this is not a paid promotion, paid videos, and I'm not an affiliate. So at this moment, I'm earning nothing from it. The only reason I'm talking about it is because I think it's a really great solution, and it's a good example of a fintech solution solving a real problem in the market. And to me, it has been a big problem for 2 years, and always a danger on my business, the risks, because I never knew whether I could open the accounts or not. I had some fairly good cases with CITIC. I mean, it went fantastic for 11 months, but yeah, it was never sure. Like here, I have a fairly good solutions here, pretty sure. Yeah. And the good stuffs again on NEET. Let me think if I didn't forget anything. Yeah, the fact that you can open remotely, it goes fast. Yeah, as I said in my other videos, a bank account in Hong Kong now take 3 to 6 months to open when it is accepted. So it's a bit crazy. It takes a long time. It's insane. I think businesses should run as soon as you open them, and you shouldn't wait 6 months for the bank to approve you and say, okay, now you can do business. I mean, come on. We are not reporting to banks, right? Banks are supposed to help businesses, and they're not supposed to choose whether you can be in business or not. So yeah, that's the frustrating part. But anyway, NEET now offer a solution. I think it's great. I recommend it. I'm sending all my clients there. Even if you want to have your own bank account eventually, something more traditional, you can still do it. You can still go ahead and open a bank account. But the time it's open anyway, you can already start your business with NEET. So no matter what, I'm sending everybody at NEET. And even if they get an account later on, they still have the credit cards from NEET. So that's pretty good. Another thing I forgot to mention about the credit card, I'm just thinking about it now. In terms of fees, NEET is offering the lowest, that's what they are claiming, the lowest fees for exchange rate on a MasterCard is 1.5% on top of the mid-market. That's what they told me. I'm not an expert in Forex, but okay, that's what they said. That's one of the advantages there as well. So if you use your card somewhere else, the other things that I really like actually, and this is a side benefits, but is pretty good, is that normally when you get a MasterCard in Hong Kong, you will have your MasterCard in Hong Kong dollars. So if you don't live here, or if you travel a lot, or if you do payment online, each time you pay in USD or in Hong Kong dollar, or in euros or another currency, you will have a conversion rate. Now with NEET, what's happening is that they are releasing, I'm not sure if it's yet ready, but they are releasing a USD account with a USD Mastercard, and soon they will have also a Euro account with Euro Mastercard. So that's pretty neat in a way. That's a really bad play with the words, right? But yeah, it will be quite nice. So you will be able to have a Hong Kong dollars account with a Hong Kong dollars Mastercard, a USD account with a USD Mastercard, and then so that you will actually have no fees on your online purchase. You know, no conversion fees. So well, I have been talking quite a lot now. It's almost 10 minutes, I think. So but I think it was a worthy update. I think this is something really good to know. So now I would say what was the main obstacle of coming to Hong Kong over the last 2 years, like this bank account opening, is now kind of solved. So I'm quite happy with it, to be honest. So nowadays you can open a company in Hong Kong, get the account up and running within 15 days. You don't even have to travel. I mean, this is just pure beautiful. So if you're interested in opening a bank account, I mean, not a bank account, a company in Hong Kong with a bank account, or if you already have a company, you would like us to give you a hand, I would do it for free. I mean, don't worry about it, you know. So if you already have the company, I will help you to get the introduction to need. And yeah, so just give me a call. No problem with that. And yeah, just give me a call or send me an email. I will put the information on of the website downstairs, so downstairs down there. So it's athenasia.com. You go on the contact form and you drop us a note, and my team or me will take care of you. No problem. So don't hesitate to contact us if you need more information about NEET or how to set up a business in Hong Kong, or about company secretary in Hong Kong, accounting, audit, tax. We are here to help. So hope to talk to you later, and thanks for watching until now. See you.